Hello, in this short web demonstration I'm going to show you how you can do find and replace on net names in Capture to change your net names to something else. So in this example here I'm running Capture 16.5 and you can see I have some net names right here. So net name underscore A0, A1, etc. through to A7. I'd like to change those to net name underscore B0 through B7 just so I can increment those nets and use them again for a different area of my design. So first what I want to do is I want to load up the script file that I'm going to use. I'm doing that in the command window right here. You can access that if it's not available from View and Toolbar and Command right here. So if you want to invoke that window, that's where you can get it from. What I'm going to do there is I'm going to just paste in my command that I want. The command that I'm pasting is just has source at the beginning here. That's the tcl script that I want to load up, and then the path to that tcl script. I recommend that you just put it in your working directory, and I've put mine in this path that you can see right here. So once I enter that command, I'm going to hit enter. I'm not really going to get any feedback, but it loads that in for me with no errors. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in a command here that allows me to switch these names up. I'll just walk you through what this command means, and then we'll invoke it. So what this is doing is that within this utility, there's a function called replaceName. That's what I want to use. And I'm actually replacing a variable. So instead of just searching for A and replacing that with B, that wouldn't really work very well because it would change this other A in name as well too. I want to do a little bit of a search and use some wildcards and get that replaced differently. So I'm going to search for net name underscore A, and then it has something after that, so that's the number 0 through 7, and I want to replace that with net name underscore B, and then replace it with the variable, the first variable that I found. That's what the /1 is. So that's the first variable that I see there. So if I run this command, I'm just going to hit enter, and then I'm going to hit F5 on my screen to refresh it, and that's going to show me now my net names underscore B0. I could continue doing this, so if I hit the up key, I could get back to my command, and I could now change B for C if I wanted to, so just replace those, refresh it again, and you can change those around. If you want to go back to what you had, just go from C back to A. And that's all that you need to do to replace net names using wildcards and variables in Capture. Thank you for watching.